Welcome to Chapter 8, the Review tab. You are looking at a document that is your handout for Chapter 8. In Chapter 8, you're going to be looking at proofing, accessibility, language, comments, tracking, changes, protect, OneNote. The focus is largely going to be, in this tutorial, on looking at comments and trackings. Remember, I am using a little different version. Mine is a 2019, so you might see some variation in the menu bar. But we're going to start by going up to the Review tab, and you're going to see your thesaurus and words for your proofing section. There is a comment section, tracking, changes, compare, protect. I'm not sure if your version has all of this, but it should be very similar. All right, looking at a document. What our focus for this tutorial is going to be on the section for comments and tracking, right, and changes. I'm going to put my cursor in the document. We're going to look at some things right now. If we go over here, we're going to see we're in a simple markup. If I click on that, I can do all markup, no markup, or original. So we're going to go into original. And then where it's the icon that says show markup, we can show our comments, our insertions and deletions, our formatting. If we don't want to show all this, we can just click on them, and you notice it turns them off. All right. The other area we're concerned with is the balloons and how we want our comments to show up. We can show them up in revisions as balloons, as in inline, or show only comments and formatting in balloons, which is your default setting. Specific people, right now, since I have done no editing in this document, it's showing all reviewers, so my name is not showing up there yet. So largely the specific people who review, as you make notations in this document, your name will show up as a reviewer. So we're going to click here at the start, and I'm going to add a comment. Notice right now that the only thing that is accentuated in this column is the new column. So if I click on new column, it's showing up on a balloon on the side. So the comment is displayed as a balloon, right? So now, if I look at my comment section, I can delete the comment. I can go to the previous comment or the next comment. So I'm going to go down here at the bottom here, and I'm going to add another comment, and we're going to say next comment. I'm just writing something in. Normally you would put something that's related to the document. All right, so now I have two comments in here. If I go up to previous and click on it, it'll take me to the previous comment. Otherwise, it's going to take me to the next comment. And notice that I can reply to that comment or resolve it. Resolve largely means that I'm going to correct the situation, and so it resolves itself. Okay, now, once I have put in my couple of comments, if I go back over to show markup, and I go to specific people, you notice that my name has been added as a reviewer. If I don't want my name to show up as a reviewer, I can deselect it, and you notice that all my comments are gone. If I go back up to show mark specific people, if I want my comments to reappear, I just click on my name, and that turns it on and off. Your reviewing people also too, you can accept and reject comments. So let's say I want to reject that comment. I'm just going to click reject and move to next, or I can do reject all changes. All right, so I don't have to accept them. Also under reviewing pane, I can do a view pane vertical where my comments will show up over here, or I can do a reviewing pane horizontally where my comments will show here at the bottom. To simply remove this, I just go to the right corner and I close it out. So that is pretty much this section on comments. You go back to your original show markup. If I want to get back show all markup, I can click on all markup, If I want to show my original or no markup, all my markup is gone. So that's pretty much it for chapter 8. Have fun with working with your comments.